iProject is a feature-rich project management tool that helps keep tasks organized, track progress, and simplify collaboration between teams. Tracking all your projects from start to finish, the module is equipped with smart visuals to quickly assess the status and supercharge productivity, collaboration, and communication all in one place. Here's a quick overview of some of the key features available on iProjects. Let's start with how you can access your iProjects module. From the home page, navigate to the iProjects icon, which displays a count of new, about to be due, and overdue projects. Alternatively, when you hover over to the iProjects icon at the bottom panel, a quick view menu will show the percentage of project completion and jump straight to the detailed view by clicking the project name. Let's click on the main icon to bring up your project list view. At the top, you have a quick summary of projects in different statuses. Click on any status to automatically filter your list view to the selected status. You can also apply filters by using the list view headers. To customize your display, you can narrow it down to projects assigned by you, to you, or your team, and your list will be filtered based on these conditions. The CSV importer allows you to create and update projects with information saved in CSV files exported from other tools. Simply download a CSV file with your project data and then upload it into iProjects. Reset your view, start creating a new project, and customize the fields you would like to display on the screen by clicking on Customize View. All project plans will be visible here. With this list, perform bulk actions to your selected projects to either archive, share projects across domains, view archived projects, or remove them from the list. If you need to duplicate or copy a template for another project, clicking on the ellipsis button will enable you to do just that. Expand your views and get a quick glimpse of how tasks associated with your projects are progressing by clicking the down arrow symbol. Now, let's look at how you can start creating a project. Head over to Create Project, choose from either an existing editable template or start with a new blank project. As a project owner, you can select your teams, assign multiple owners to enable editing permissions, and set up geotagging. Geotagging is a helpful feature when you want to keep track of your project delivery for employees who might be operating in the field. Setting restrictions gives you the flexibility to assign specific views that are unique to the team. Complete your project details by adding in a description, attach relevant resources or documentation, and you're all set. After your project has been created, click on your project to start creating your project hierarchy. iProjects has 3 levels of hierarchy: folder, task, and subtask. Click on the plus icon and define your task name. Once you have set your task requirements, create a folder and group your tasks accordingly. With a folder system set up, you can select a folder owner, mark it as closed, modify the folder sequence and name, or move tasks associated with the folder. Edit task details straight from your task list. If you need to make edits to your tasks, such as changing and managing your project ownership, priority level, or status, click on Edit to make these updates. You can also move your open and closed tasks to a different folder, duplicate, delete, or mark as closed. To create subtasks, use the Quick Create, type in your subtask name, select a parent task from the dependents list, and link your subtask to it. Do this by selecting Yes using the toggle switch. Your subtasks will automatically be visible in the Subtask tab, while your subtask count will be updated here. Make edits, duplicate to add additional subtasks, delete, or mark them as closed. When subtasks are updated, the progress is immediately reflected on your overall task completion status. You may find that you need to change some of the general project information, such as the project name, description, or owner. Head over to Edit Project Detail to make these modifications. Filtering your task view is a critical function, especially when your project boards get too crowded. You can do this with iProject's predefined filters, manage your project views by swapping between open and closed tasks, distorted and deleted tasks to view only items that are relevant to your needs. At the same time, you can expand or collapse your task lists, sort tasks by folders or by tasks. When they are organized accordingly, you can cross-reference various tasks and pinpoint areas that require your attention. Let's explore the key parameters that ensure your projects are staying on track. View priority levels, target dates, and continuously track to see if your teams hit or miss deadlines. The red, amber, and green metrics give project leaders a quick understanding of project health. All the other elements such as action taken, location, and documents associated with your projects are available in this view. Updating your % complete will immediately reflect your project's overall progress on the project header section, which is visible at the top left. Navigate to your folder and click on the ellipsis button, which allows you to assign owners, close, or modify folder title and sequence. Editing capabilities are also available with your tasks and subtasks. All the changes you make on your tasks will be captured in your activity feed located at the top right. With Project Feed, you track comments and project information in one centralized location. Project History tracks every change made, so you will always have a complete historical view of the project. Facilitate feedback and discussions associated with your project in the Task Feed column. Task History provides an audit trail capability that identifies each step taken to resolve a change or task. Now that we've explored ways to schedule and manage your projects, let's look at the additional settings and features available on the platform. Hit print if you want to save a PDF version of your project reports and information, and for a concise dashboard display, you can always switch between collapsing and expanding your view. There is no one-size-fits-all approach to your project management. That's why iProject supports a variety of project views. The dominant display will be your list view for projects to be worked on in an organized manner. The board view allows moving tasks across statuses or through a workflow from the start of the project right up to its completion point. The drop-down menu gives you a quick view of number of tasks, progress percentage, and overdue tasks. Head over to Journey View, a good indicator of measuring activities completed in a predetermined orderly sequence. Let's use your customer onboarding process as an example. With a focused checklist of tasks, you can organize and split the onboarding tasks into a sequence, assign priorities, timeline, resources, and track your delivery milestone based on this sequence. There is no need to switch over to your list view to retrieve documents or change history on tasks, as all the activities associated with your projects are also available here. The report view will provide you with a total task completion counts, and overall progress at an individual level. This view can help you in understanding a team's members' bandwidth or identify potential bottlenecks. The calendar view is great when you need to scale down a workflow from a month to a week or a day, giving you better control for managing task deadlines. Just like a Gantt chart, it lets you visualize your project schedule through codes with resizable column widths for customized display. The Gantt chart can be viewed by days, months, and year, or a customized range of duration to suit your purpose. Set dependencies between tasks and easily adjust your plans as work changes or deadlines shift. All dependent tasks in the calendar view will automatically update to reflect the change on your timeline. Go back to your iProject homepage by clicking here, and with custom field and pick list, you can choose which task status you would like to make visible, edit the field name if you wish, or rearrange its order. You can do the same for task priority levels and task types. With Task Custom Field, set custom task fields, grouping, and a security feature to enable or disable updating rights. You can also do the same and create your custom views under Project Custom Field. Field visibility rules let you gather accurate data as it makes your entry form dynamic and displays only relevant details. The bulk update feature allows you to perform updates for multiple projects, folders, or tasks in one go. With the copy and move task commands, you can copy and move tasks and folders across projects. iProject's rich customization features lets you customize everything from the methodology and view type to column headers, field types, data validation, and more. Don't forget, you can always access iStrives user guide at the top right corner, which provides a step-by-step guide on configuring iProjects. iProject lets you ditch the messy spreadsheets and endless email threads so you and your team can deliver winning projects without all the stress and confusion. For more information, visit swivel.com or contact us at info@istrives.com.